their heart will be in the deep fear of Allah. They know one day will come, they will be empty-handed, single. They go back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with no power, with no money, with no family, with no one with them. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, إِنَّمَا الْمُؤْمِنُونَ, and that's a privacy to the believer. إِنَّمَا أَدَاةٌ حَصْرٌ فِي اللُّغَةِ الْعَرَبِيَّةِ. That's a privacy to the believer. إِنَّمَا الْمُؤْمِنُونَ الَّذِينَ, whom they are, whenever they remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Many people among us, I am not separating myself with you because you are my Muslim brothers. Whenever you say, my brother, this is haram, it says, leave me alone. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala not happy what you do. He said, leave me, I live my life. Or he wants to find an easiest fitwa to do his aim. And that's wrong.